Hello, students. Welcome to another fascinating lesson in economics. Today, we're going to dive into the world of investments and explore one of the most vital components of the financial system, the stock market. Have you ever wondered what the stock market is and how it works? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll unravel the mysteries of the stock market and understand its inner workings. So, let's get started. The stock market, also known as the equity market, plays a significant role in our global economy. It's a place where buyers and sellers come together to trade shares of publicly listed companies. But it's more than just a platform for buying and selling stocks. The stock market serves as a barometer of economic health, a source of capital for companies, and an avenue for individuals to invest and grow their wealth. So, let's explore what the stock market is all about and how it functions. Definition and explanation of the stock market. The stock market can be defined as a decentralized marketplace where investors can buy and sell ownership shares, also known as stocks or equities, of publicly traded companies. These stocks represent a fractional ownership interest in a company, giving investors certain rights and potential benefits, such as dividends and capital appreciation. The stock market provides a platform for companies to raise funds by issuing and selling shares to investors, enabling them to finance operations, expansion, and innovation. How the stock market works. Now that we understand the basic definition, let's delve into how the stock market actually works. It's important to note that the stock market operates through exchanges, which are organizations that facilitate the buying and selling of stocks. The most well-known exchange in the United States is the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, but there are also other major exchanges worldwide, such as the Nasdaq. Companies that wish to be publicly traded go through an initial public offering, IPO, process. During an IPO, the company offers a portion of its ownership through shares to the public for the first time. Once a company's shares are available for trading on the stock market, buyers and sellers can trade these shares among themselves. The stock market acts as a secondary market, allowing investors to buy and sell shares of publicly listed companies. The stock market operates on the principles of supply and demand. The price of a stock is determined by the interaction between buyers, who place bids indicating the maximum price they are willing to pay, and sellers, who set ask prices representing the minimum price they are willing to accept. When the bid and ask prices match, a transaction occurs, and the stock changes hands. This continuous buying and selling activity influences the stock prices throughout the trading day. Why is the stock market important? Well, it serves several key functions. Firstly, it allows companies to access capital by selling shares to investors. This capital can be used for research and development, expanding operations, or acquiring other companies. Secondly, the stock market provides individuals with an opportunity to invest and potentially grow their wealth over time. Investing in stocks can offer the possibility of earning returns through dividends and capital appreciation. Moreover, the stock market reflects investor sentiment and acts as a gauge of economic performance. Fluctuations in stock prices can indicate overall market trends, investor confidence, and the health of different sectors. Economists, analysts, and policymakers closely monitor the stock market to assess economic conditions and make informed decisions. Conclusion. So, there you have it. The stock market is a dynamic marketplace where shares of publicly listed companies are bought and sold. It's an avenue for companies to raise capital, a platform for individuals to invest, and a barometer of economic health. Understanding the stock market and its functioning is essential for anyone interested in investments and the broader world of finance. As always, I hope this lesson has provided you with valuable insights into the stock market. If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.